Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhed Vlog, and for today's video, I will show you how to do this leaf sprout organizer. You can also use this as a decoration to your headbands and headset. The materials are scissors, 4mm hook, medium weight yarn. First step is to do a slip knot. Next, chain 10. Skip one chain from the hook, and on the next chain, make one single crochet. On the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. And on the next 2 chain, make 2 double crochet. So here's the first double crochet and another one. On the next chain, make 1 treble crochet. And for the next 2 chains, make 2 double crochet. On the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. And for the last chain, 1 single crochet. Next, chain 1, and on the same chain, make 1 single crochet. And now, we're going to do the other side of the leaf. On the first chain, make 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet. Next step is to make 1 treble crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet. And on the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Next step is to slip stitch in the first single crochet that we make on the other side of the leaf. Next, chain 1, and to start with a new leaf, chain 10. So as you can see, we're just repeating the first step that we did before when we are doing the first leaf. Skip 1 chain from the hook, and on the next chain, make 1 single crochet. Next, 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet. Next, make 1 treble crochet. And make 2 double crochet. Next, make 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 1 single crochet. Next, chain 1, and on the same stitch, make 1 single crochet. And now we're going to do the other side of the leaf. To begin that, make 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet. And 1 treble crochet. Next, make 2 double crochet. Next, 1/2 double crochet, and on the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Next, slip stitch on the first single crochet that we make on the other side of the leaf. Chain 1. Next, slip stitch the middle of the leaf. So as you can see in the middle, there is a tiny hole. Insert your hook and grab the yarn and pull through and do a slip stitch. So do that across until you finish the first leaf. When you reach the end, you will notice that there is one chain that connected the 2 leaves. So insert your hook and grab the yarn, pull through and slip stitch, and after that, make 40 chain. Next, skip 15 chains from the hook. Next, slip stitch. Continue doing slip stitch until you reach the top. Next, insert the hook on the chain and slip stitch. And now continue doing slip stitch until you finish the entire leaf. When you reach the end, you can now cut the yarn and use your needle to hide the extra yarn. This is the final look, guys. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment also. So you can use this leaf sprout crochet to organize your cords, your chargers, and to make them look nicely and organized. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.